Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. As I talked in my last week's video, I came with my first ever digital vintage kit. I'm so excited to share this with you. This printable has the vintage doilies and hankies that I used in my last couple of Daphne's diary journalings. There are 5 of them, but it does not have only the vintage items, but also I made coordinating envelope, journaling cards, and labels. So this kit can be more abundant. It has 7 ready-to-print PDF pages. This is the first page. You saw this doily in this journaling. It has cute florals and soft colors. This is the second page. This is a 3x4 journaling card that I made from the first doily. And this is a beautiful linen. In fact, the actual item, the linen, was really big, so I had to scan it partially multiple times and I stitched them digitally. So it's not perfect, but I'm happy with it. I used this linen in this journaling, this subtle background. This is the third page. This is my favorite. I love this violet color. This handkerchief was digitally stitched too. It has beautiful embroidered flowers and scalloped edge. I used this hanky here to make a tag. So I made a 3x4 journaling card and coordinating labels. Also, you have the smaller version of it on this page. This page has lovely hanky that has scalloped edge and bright colored florals. I digital stitched this too and made coordinating labels. You saw me using this hanky on this page as a background and on this page as a little journaling space. You can find the smaller version of it on the first page, and this is the small version of the first doily. This is the last doily which I used in this page. It was perfect for this rustic and vintage page. I love the vivid colors of this doily. They are matching labels, and this is another 3x4 journaling card. This is my favorite in this kit. I made an envelope with a violet hanky. It looks like this. Let me show you how to make it. I'm fussy cutting the image and scoring for the flaps. Then I'm folding it. That's it, it's done. I made a lovely scallop edge envelope that has beautiful embroidered flowers on it. And next to it, I made more journaling card and matching labels. This is the last page. I made 2 4x6 journaling cards and more labels. So there was 7 PDF pages. And there is a little more extra. I included partial but bigger versions. I thought they'd make perfect pages when you make journals, or if you want, you can print 2 or 4 of them on one page, so you can use them like journaling cards. What I like to do is I print such as these 2 images together on one page. You can do that on print setting window or image editing software. So I have 2 different images on one page and included when I make journals. To do so, I have 2 different pages on each side of one sheet. To do that with physical paper, I have to use washi tapes. Like in this notebook, I used white washi tape to connect these 2 pages. But it's so easy and smooth when they are digital files. I think that's the best thing about digital printable. You have freedom to resize. It makes them so versatile. I printed them on matte photo papers. They are 128 GMS, which is fairly thin for photo papers, but it's perfect to use when I journal because they don't bulk up my journal a lot. If I want this to be pages to make journals, I print them on thicker papers such as around 160 or 180 GMS. And printed colors differ depending on which paper company you use, also depending on computers. I printed them on my MacBook, but even I print the exactly same files on my PC, it's different. In my case, it's more grayish and blue when I print on PC. That's why I print on MacBook. But if you are not happy with the colors when you print it, you can change it on print settings on your computer system or image editing software. I hope this helped your printing. They are available in my Etsy shop right now. I'll link it in the description box and comment section below. I'm so happy with this kit. I love the vintage hankies and doilies as well as the coordinating elements. I enjoyed so much journaling with them. I hope you enjoy them as much as I did. Let me know if you have any questions. One more thing, I'm doing a journaling pad giveaway. If you love to do journaling with pretty papers, washi tapes, or stickers, it'll be perfect for you. I'll link the giveaway video at the top and in the description box as well. So I hope you like this kit. Definitely check my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye!